Thank you to the people over at Bell and Howell for sending over this product sample of their alien powder, something that I'm going to get a lot of use out of to remove some stains in my bathroom and kind of around my house. What I did is I used it in my bathroom. You'll see at the very end I use it within our shower. One thing that I do like about it is just how simple it is to use. When it came in the package, it came with the bottle. I was able to then also have the 3 bags of powder that it came with, as well as a little scrub brush here, and then some directions on how to use it. So pretty simple. What you're going to do is you're going to fill the bottle up with warm water up to this line right here, and then from there you're going to cut open a package of powder and then simply just dump the powder right in. From there, you're then going to shake it for 30 seconds. After you shake it for 30 seconds, you're going to let it sit for about 8 to 10 minutes. Once it's sat for 8 to 10 minutes, then you can go ahead and use it, and it does have a nice nozzle here that you can turn from shower or to spray or to close. After you've let it sit for 10 minutes, then you're going to spray it on the surface that you would like to clean. And then after that, you can again let it sit for 10 minutes and then come back with paper towel or anything to wipe it off. After I was done, I also gave it just my shower a quick rinse. One thing I will say is the fumes are pretty strong. Make sure that it's a well-vented area and that have windows open. Maybe use it when you are going away for the day, use it before work, whatever it may be, because the fumes are pretty strong. So you're going to want to make sure that's a well-vented area to get those fumes out. I was able to kind of turn some fans on and open some windows and got the fumes out. But definitely a quality product, simple to use. Like I said at the end, I'm going to show a video of the before and after, just of spraying it. But thank you again for the product sample, something that I'm going to get a lot of use out of with both of our bathrooms just to make sure they stay clean. Yeah, thanks. So as you can see, we got a little bit of mold and whatnot within our shower. So I wanted to try and clean it off as best I could. I think it's going to take a couple times of doing it. But I'm just able to spray it onto the surface, just around different spots. I'm going to use the brush for those little corner areas, try and get everything off. But you just spray it on there, and then you're going to wait 10 minutes and then wipe it off. What I did is I also rinsed when I was done, just to kind of help as well. But you'll see the finished product here in a second. So I'm going to get those little corners here, another scrub, but very satisfied with the product and would definitely recommend it. Thanks.